Eating the right foods after workouts is important for muscle gain, recovery, and performance. A major part of a muscle recovery diet should be protein. Protein fuels your body with amino acids to repair muscle proteins that are broken down during your workout. Appropriate amounts of nutritious food can accelerate the recovery phase and reduce the next day soreness of muscles, also called delayed onset muscle soreness. In this video, let's see 10 best foods for muscle recovery after workout. 1. Protein shake and banana. Bananas are a great source of energy for the body and are perfect for eating before or after a workout. Bananas also add a good dose of potassium and dietary fiber to a protein shake. Eating a banana after a workout may help boost muscle glycogen production, reduce inflammation, and possibly even help your body utilize protein. 2. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is an excellent source of both whey protein, known for its role in replenishing muscles quickly post-workout, and casein protein, a slow-acting protein which allows your muscles to continue recovering even as you sleep. Consuming cottage cheese after a workout not only provides protein, it can contribute to bone health, too. Cottage cheese is a good source of calcium. 3. Greek yogurt with fruit. Greek yogurt has twice as much protein as traditional yogurt, so it's the perfect foundation for a substantial morning meal. Greek yogurt can be a great post-workout food due to protein content which is needed to regenerate and repair muscle tissue. 4. Boiled eggs. Eggs are a good post-workout food because they are highly nutritious and have protein. Eggs provide all of the 9 essential amino acids, also known as the building blocks of protein, making them an effective food for maintaining, building and repairing muscle. 5. Skinless chicken. Chicken breasts are popular among the fitness set because they are essentially pure lean protein. The lean protein in chicken is an excellent source of amino acids. Our bodies use amino acids to build muscle tissue. The protein mixed with low fat and calorie count will provide you with energy to get through every day and post-workouts. 6. Vegetables with quinoa. Quinoa is a great post-workout food because it has both protein and carbohydrates, two food groups that are essential for recovery. Quinoa is rich in B vitamins and minerals. It also has antioxidants and heart-healthy monounsaturated fat. 7. Avocado toast. Avocados are an excellent post-workout snack because they are nutrient-dense and a source of good fats. Avocado gives you monounsaturated fat for repairing muscle and B vitamins to jumpstart your metabolism. This classic avocado toast is the perfect breakfast or post-workout meal. It is packed with protein, carbs and healthy fats. 8. Low-fat milk. It has high-quality and easily absorbable protein, carbohydrates, and micronutrients, calcium, phosphorus, and B vitamins, which make it an ideal post-exercise recovery drink. Research has shown that drinking milk after exercise has the potential to benefit quick recovery and training changes. 9. Dark leafy greens. Leafy vegetables are packed with micronutrients and vitamins. It provides important nutrients like calcium and iron, which can help you perform. Calcium helps muscles repair and contributes to bone strength, while iron helps regulate metabolism and energy consumption. 10. Water. Drink at least 16 ounces of water or healthy drinks, such as coconut water, green or black tea, and chocolate milk. Or you can choose a low-sugar sports drink. These drinks contain electrolytes, such as potassium and sodium, that can prevent and relieve muscle cramping. Consuming the right amount of carbohydrates before a workout will ensure that the body has enough energy to perform well. Be sure to eat food after a workout to lose weight and focus on muscle building, which is at its peak during the 30-minute window that follows your workout.